Hi, this is Dane from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07 3848 1382. Today we have a January 2018 Kia Cerato Sport. This shape runs from the 8th month 2013 to the 5th month 2008. Stock number is 4013. This has a 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2 litre petrol G4NA engine. This vehicle has sustained a front end damage in the accident. This vehicle is fitted with 15-inch factory mags, left hand front with good tyre, left hand front electric door mirror indicator type, left hand front door appears to be in good condition, as long as the left hand rear door also. Left hand rear 17-inch rim with good tyre, left hand tail light, left hand garnish or boot light, complete tailgate, tidy bar cover with sensor type, right hand garnish light, right hand tail light, right hand rear 17-inch factory mag with good tyre, right hand rear door, right hand front door has been damaged in the accident, right hand front electric mirror with indicator type, right hand front mag has been severely damaged in the accident. This vehicle has factory black cloth interior, black center console with lid, it's automatic, factory sat nav CD player with reverse camera, left hand sun visor, courtesy light with sunglass holder, right hand sun visor, has a black 3-spoke steering wheel with your cruise audio and also your phone controls on it. This is Dane from Total Parts Plus. Thank you for watching this video.